Want to share your best recipes in a cookbook? You'll need premium recipe book templates. Here are 10 best InDesign cookbook templates to create a professional recipe book. Download all of these recipe book templates from Envato Elements, where you get unlimited access to over 50 million digital assets, print templates, fonts, stock photos, and more. Go ahead and click the links down in the description to get started. Make your recipes stand out in a modern cookbook. This recipe book template comes with 24 square pages and an attractive cover. This cookbook recipe template takes a magazine approach. Is there anything as tasty looking as a multi-page food photo after all? This one could easily be a great cookbook template. Do you like cookbook templates with a unique design? Well, this modern cookbook template will give your content a modern look. It comes with 24 pages and is print ready. Looking for a lot of options in one package? This minimalist recipe book template has so much to offer. With over 30 pages to work with, there's a little something for every project. Quirky, fun, and colorful, this dessert cookbook template is a great fit for any eye-catching food photography. Feature your favorite dessert recipes in this InDesign template. This is a clean and classy recipe book template. Just insert your photos, add your content, and you have a polished, professional recipe book in a snap. Check out this landscape cookbook template. There's plenty of white space, everything is easily accessible, well organized, and professional. This fresh recipe book template comes with 28 pages to work with. Easily insert your content and change the colors to match your personal or professional project. Here's another spin on a square template. The clean and open white space makes a classy aesthetic, with this template being easy to edit and ready to print. The creative cookbook template stands out with its clean and polished design. You'll get 24 pages to fill with your best recipes. So did you enjoy the selection of recipe book templates? Just click the links down in the description to download them. Remember to browse the huge library of print templates over on Envato Elements. And subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. You'll get notified of all of our latest roundups, tutorials, and free courses on print design, and much more.